Hi everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day, where every day is a happy bake day. Today we're going to be making another delicious game day ready recipe with the help of my friends over at Ducktrap. We're going to be using their cold smoked Atlantic salmon, that this one particularly is the gravlax style. It is absolutely incredible. We're going to be using it to make a dip today, and it's got this wonderful dill seasoning that has this beautiful brightness to it. It's got a little bit of salt and of course that classic cold smoked salmon flavor. This just makes for an incredible dip, and I cannot wait to share the recipe with you today. Along with the dip, we're also going to be making some cabbage egg rolls to dip in our delicious salmon dip. Now this will be made in two parts. Part one is to make our egg rolls, and then part two is going to be making our gravlax style cold smoked salmon dip. And so for the egg rolls, you're going to need the following ingredients: 2 16-ounce bags of coleslaw mix, 5 ounces of water chestnuts chopped, 4 green onions sliced, 4 garlic cloves minced, some salt and pepper to taste, and 16 egg roll wrappers. Our first step is to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Next, you're going to heat a large drizzle of olive oil into a really large skillet. Once the oil is nice and hot, add in your coleslaw, your water chestnuts, your green onions, garlic cloves, and then season with some salt and pepper. You're going to cook your mixture, stirring occasionally until your coleslaw has become nice and soft. Once it's done, remove your coleslaw mix off the heat and put it aside. Arrange your egg roll wrappers on a flat surface. Scoop about 1/3 of your coleslaw mixture into the center of each of your egg roll wrapper. Use a basting brush to lightly brush a small amount of water along all of the edges of your egg roll wrapper. Carefully roll up your egg roll, kind of like a burrito, and then place your egg roll with the seam side down onto a baking tray that's been lined with some parchment paper. Once your egg rolls have been shaped, you're going to lightly brush a very thin layer of olive oil over each of your egg rolls using a basting brush, and then this is ready for baking. You're going to bake your egg rolls in the preheated oven for about 16 to 19 minutes, or until the exterior is nice and crispy. While your egg rolls are baking, you're going to start making your salmon dip. For that, you're going to need the following ingredients: 8 ounces of Ducktrap Spruce Point gravlax style cold smoked Atlantic salmon, 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 1/3 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and some salt and pepper to taste. You're going to combine all of your salmon dip ingredients into the bowl of a food processor. You're going to pulse your food processor on low until everything is well combined and your dip is smooth and creamy. And with that, our cabbage egg rolls with our delicious salmon dip are done, and I cannot wait to dive right into these. If you notice, I kept the filling in our egg rolls pretty simple and pretty light on the seasoning, because the standout part of this meal, of this appetizer, is of course our salmon dip, which is absolutely loaded with flavor. I just love how the dill complements really well with the little bit of lemon juice that we added. The salmon has such a lovely light flavor into the dip, and of course with the cream cheese, the mayonnaise, and the sour cream, it becomes so beautifully smooth. And then paired together, you've got a little bit of the crispy crunch from your egg rolls, and then of course the smooth, creamy salmon flavor from our dip. I could not have done this without our fabulous friends over at Ducktrap. Again, their cold smoked Atlantic salmon is just fabulous. Not only for our dip, I like mine also on a bagel in the morning, maybe mixed up in some scrambled eggs. Really, you can't go wrong. Thank you so much for joining me today while we made our delicious cabbage egg rolls with our salmon dip. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you had fun baking with me today. I appreciate each and every single subscriber as you join me on this journey from banker to baker. Don't forget to visit my website or follow me on social media for this and all of my other delicious recipes. And you can go on Ducktrap's website and find out where you can also get this gravlax style salmon for yourself. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy bake day.